Okay, so let's look at more comma uses. So we can split clauses in longer sentences. So long sentences that have multiple clauses in them, object, subject, verb. We can split those up using a comma. So these books, comma, if written correctly, comma, could. These books, object, if written verb correctly, complement, could be published, could be sold, could be useful. All sorts. When I write, so here's a subject, here's a verb. When I write, as I plan to in the future, so here's a subject, verb again, future. I will something. So when I write, I will. Okay, we can expand that sentence to say, when I write, as I plan to in the future, I will. When I write, as I'm going to do in the future, I will do something else. Or when I write books about this, I will do that. Makes sense. Sentences which use words like who, what, where, when, why, how, which. So who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. I will be making more courses which, I'll be making more courses, comma, which I want to because I have a goal. I'll be making more courses which I need to spend more time. Or I'm making more courses, comma, because. I'll be making more courses because I have a goal to reach. There is a quota of 3 a week. How can they do it? I have a quota of 3 courses a week, comma, how can I maintain that? How can I do 3 a week? I don't know. How? I'll figure it out. Yeah. There is a quota of 3 courses a week. What can I teach about? What can I teach? How can I maintain that? Who can I work with? I have a quota of 3 a week. Who can I work with? Where can I do them? Where can I write and record the courses? When will I do the next one? This is the second course today. Do 1 more tomorrow, and this is Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. That's 3 done for the week. How cool is that? How can I do them? Which course will be next? I have a quota of 3 courses a week. Which course is next? It depends. Yeah. How cool is that? So, we can split clauses in longer sentences. When I write these books, if written correctly, as I plan to do in the future, I will. Okay. Sentences with who, what, where, when, why, how, which. There is a quota of 3 a week. How can they do it? I will be making more courses. Which one is next? How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.